I just wanna cry and I won't fulfill my request. Probably cause it gave me a test, I have to fulfill it. I have to try my best, I have to clean up my inner mess. I have to rise up cause it's a test, the hardest one since now we are done. Since now you were gone, I pictured myself all alone on the lawn. I wish the relationship had never gone wrong. That's why I ended up writing this song. That's why I drown my emotions by smoking up bomb. I'm tired of emotions playing me back and forth like it is ping pong. I'll end it here, cause if not, the story will be long. Wait, I came back to add more. I realized this beat could touch a core. I used to shed so many tears. I'd be on my knees on the cold floor, but not anymore, cause I finally stopped and wondered what for. Why cry? Why even hope to die? Why give up without a second try? Why not cut the chains of depression and fly? Let my light shine on those that kills themselves to touch the sky. Let me be that one girl, I won't let them go in vain, cause I realized it was the tears when it would rain. They are sad that all it does didn't change a thing. People still commit crimes and kill over anything. Why can't we be grateful for everything? Honor those that we be remembering. Stop the violence, don't let the voice of dead die in silence. There's a lesson to be learned, sins need to be burned. The questions we take, the wrong turn on the right. Are we willing to go shed some light? Are we willing to stand and fight? Our inner demons think we are weak, but they haven't seen us at our peak. We are part of nature, a freak. We can all take the heat, time to turn us, how ourselves into something sweet. Get back on your feet. Why? Cause in the end, we've all got God to meet. Why cry? Why even hope to die? Why give up without a second try? Why not cut the chains of depression and fly, and fly? Thank you very much.
Well done, Alisha. Anya, what did you think of Alisha's performance?
The first thing I wrote was wow, because at first I couldn't really think of anything to say, but then as he kept going, then I had more. The lyrics were beautifully written. It takes a lot of talent to write your own songs, your own rap, and I think you've got a lot of talent, and I think you could write a lot more. And you've got so much potential as well. I mean, I could tell you were so nervous to be up there, and I would be as well if I was singing my own lyrics or rapping my own lyrics. But I could see you meant every single word that you rapped then, and it was absolutely incredible. You should be really proud of yourself. Well done.
Kelly?
Yeah, it's so nice to have a female rapper in the competition, and you were so passionate. You could feel every single thing that you were saying, and I think you've got such an important message for particularly young people at the moment, because everything's just, you know, and I think that it's really important to have somebody like you pushing from a positive aspect and telling them that it's okay. And I agree with Anya that the lyrics were so beautifully written, and I think that you've got so much potential. I'm quite excited to see what else you can do and what other messages you've got to say, because you seem very sort of switched on. And yeah, that was fantastic. Well done.
Thank you.
Alisha, yeah, I mean, lyrically, that was fantastic, what you was trying to get across in the message. What I really liked about the style of rap you are, it was very clear. Everything was clear. I heard every single detail of every single word that you said in that then, and it was absolutely spot on. Like, I gotta say to you, because obviously, this is still all new for you, I believe. I mean, you've done your own little things and that and stuff, but I gotta say to you know, like, everyone has, well, for an example, we all have negatives and positives through life. Some of us get crapped on, some of us don't, and all of this and that. But one of the biggest things for you to come out of any situation you've had to deal with is this and your rap, because that is a skill that you've been given, and that's a skill that you can share to the world. And I want you to know that, because this, where you are today, whatever you were past and given out, has led you to where you are now. And I want to take that on board and turn it into a positive and say, do you know what, actually, yeah, I'm glad I went through this, I'm glad I dealt with this, because look at me now. And it makes you a stronger person. And what you've got message-wise, That's amazing to share that, because there is so many people in your shoes out there in Wales, and not just in Wales, all over the world. And it is so important to have people like you sharing that to help them. So honestly, I am well impressed with that. Like I said, keep doing your flows and things like that, the way you flow your raps and stuff. Maybe make a bit more versatility in it, so add different styles and different techniques, so it's not all one all the way through. Other than that, lyrically fantastic. I love the sound of your rapping skills. Everything was spot on and an amazing message. You should be really, really proud of what you've just done there.
Thank you.
Well done.
Thank you.
Well done, Alisha.